Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching us from. Oke Bakassi attacks MC Oluomo over statement on Igbo. Veteran Nollywood actor Oke Onyebule, better known as Oke Bakassi, has tackled Musilu Akinsanya alias MC Oluomo, who is the chairman of Lagos State Parks and Garage Management Committee, for suggesting that either the Igbo or the PDP may be responsible for selling stickers to the commercial drivers and riders to fund Bola Tinubu's presidential campaign. It will be recalled that a resident in Ikorodu, Halimat Rufai, had a shared video showing some touts forcing tricycle operators to purchase Tinubu's campaign stickers for 500 naira. She explained that the tricycle operators usually were forced to pay for the stickers, a development that is currently generating confirmation on social media.
I know the pain. If not because I go back this again, I don't time again. I know the pain one day. I change your ticket because I don't tell the no put that. Okay, don't put this in. Like this one go be one. No put. I don't gonna want that from my hand. You don't. I don't tell you. You don't gonna want that from my hand. No put this in for this again. Let's your brain. Let's your brain. Oh yeah, put them for the money. Put them for the money. I know that play with you. No put this in for now. No put it for now. Before I don't give you one, and if I wish I go come out, I'll be for you.
But reacting to the video, Mr. Akinsanya said it was either the Igbo or the PDP who are responsible for the ticket sale to discredit Tinubu presidential campaign and the APC.
Kọ́ máa lọ tà ní 1,000 pé ọ̀n wá campaign ẹ̀ rí pé orí yín dàrú. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ lórí social media rí nílé ayé mi, but eléyìí ẹ̀ lè black name wa ní Nàìjíríà because ọgbọ́n lẹ lọ dá lẹ́bí ń ṣerú kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ní adúrú mi àní pé kọ́ mú sticker pé kọ́ máa tà ní 1,000 ṣé bí pa wá ni àbí àìrí owó fi ṣe ìkọ́ni ìrọ̀lẹ́ jẹ́ ń pa. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀tá irọ́ lẹ̀ ń pa ṣóyè yín sí ibi tá a bá máa dé a máa dé bẹ́ẹ̀ aṣíwájú ló ní present yẹn ṣeré ní agbọ́rọ̀ lórí Jùmárè aṣíwájú máa dé present yẹn kò sọ́gbọ́n tẹ́ lè jà kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ lè ṣe ní Nàìjíríà yìí àwa ló kàn ẹ̀jọ̀ rasán ẹ̀wọ̀n pé èmi ò ṣe fídíò rí ẹ̀jọ̀ rasán gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá ti rí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ̀ nà wọ́n wọ station ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti rí sticker lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó bá ń tà pé park and garage ni ẹ̀ nà wọ́n wọ station kẹ́pẹ́ nọ́mbà mi 08037168492 ẹ pè wá àbí kẹ́ tẹ̀síwájú pẹ̀ tí mọ́nítọ̀ ọ̀hún ẹni tó bá ń ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ má sọ wá lórúkọ burúkú olè níyín bóyá yín yíbo àbẹ́yàn kan ló ń dọ́gbọ́n sí i àbẹ́yìn kan lẹ̀ ń dọ́gbọ́n bóyá yẹn opponent bóyá yẹn PDP lẹ̀ ń dọ́gbọ́n ibi tá a bá ti rí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣe ẹ ti understand sí Lagos State wà dẹ̀ ní kò ń ṣe àrùn ojú tá a bá ti rí iṣẹ́ tí gómìnà wa ń ṣe ribiribi Lagos State tó ti yẹ yìí sí àwa la ní second time kò sí kankan ẹ ti understand gbogbo àwọn tó bá ń lọ dọ́gbọ́n tó ń gbé fake rumour tẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ ṣe nǹkan jáde tẹ́ bá ti rí ìkúrú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn níta ẹnà wọn wọ station ó lè jẹ́ àwọn ọ̀tá ni because gbogbo ẹ̀ láti ṣèwádìí àmọ́ ibi tó jẹ́ ààrẹ nìtì ibi tó sọ àti débẹ̀ nísìnyí gbogbo wa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọ state ìsìn ibi tó bá ti rí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa lu onítọ̀hún wọ station kẹfọlọ́pàá ààrẹ ṣe máa yọjú thank you very much. God bless you. Ẹ jẹ́ kí state secretary náà kóhun náà sọ fún yín. Talk English.
Up Lagos State. Progress.
Lagos State.
The notice of the Lagos State Parks and Garages chairman is hereby on a fake and malicious moves and motives of elements bent in tarnishing the image and prestige.
He urges supporters to hand over violators to the police after beating them. Whether it is you, the Igbos, who are devising this means or opposition, PDP, don't give us bad names, he said in Yoruba language in the video shared by Punch. Anywhere you see something like that, beat them and take them to the police station. Anyone you see selling such stickers in the name of park and garages, arrest them and call my number. He added, by the grace of God, Tinubu owns the presidency and there is nothing enemies can do. Reacting to this, Okebakase wondered why MC Oluomo would drag Igbos into the drama. Commenting on an Instagram blog post, the father of three wrote, why drag Igbos into every problems in Nigeria? The hate is unnecessary and it's becoming boring. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.